Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve very famous LeetCode question number 27. Remove element. Uh, In this question, we will understand the problem better. After that, we will understand the example, and then I'll go to the example. I will write the code in C++. So let's get started. The problem statement said we are given integer of array, the column, and given integer of a value. So uh, in we return the new length of an array. So the order cannot be changed, but it's not necessary. What's important is that after removal removal the first k element of the array should contains the element that not are equal to the value. So we take an example. We show that numbers of an array, which is value 3, 2, 2, 3, and we given a value it's called 3. So first unique value are which is going to be 2 and 3. So it is output is 2 because its length of a new array it's going to be 2, and this is so we write the code in C++. So it's take the time complexity order of n and space complexity order of 1. So let's get started using C++ code. Uh, we In this code we use a pointer the called k to keep track the position where the next value element should go. So in the after that we added over the element through the for loop. In this for loop we use if condition to check that number of I is not equal to the value that and so is not equal to the value. So that element stored in the k, and k always increases. After that, at that k will represent the number of elements that are not equal to the value. So let's start with the code. First of all, we declare the k variable. After that, we start a for loop through 0 to the number size of an array. Inside the for loop, we use if condition that number of I is not equal to the value. So if the current element number of I is not equal to the value, we replace is we replace it at the index of k, and increment the k. After that, we return k. To run the code, we show every test cases are successfully going to successful. So that's all for this video. This is my root approach for solve this question. So thank you for thank you.